so I'm 32 now.
Sure.
And मेरे सारे जो दोस्त हैं, जो ब्रोज हैं, a lot of them उनकी शादी हो चुकी है. मैं मानता हूँ कि शादी के बाद एक लड़के की ज़िंदगी में लाइफ थोड़ी सी स्टेबलाइज हो जाती है वाइफ की वजह से.
5 billion% true.
एक लड़की की वजह से एक लड़के की लाइफ बदल सकती है.
बिल्कुल.
बताओ.
I think I'm a living example of that. Anybody who's known me before I got married to Sargun, or so much as Sargun walking into my life. Marriage happened much later, 4 years after we met. We met in 2010. We got married in 2013 December. So significant amount of time had passed. But even during that time, there was an avalanche of good fortune that entered my life. Maybe nature was preparing me for this exceptional woman that was going to enter my life, and she has a way of living already, you know, and nature did not want to give her any less. And I think not just me, Sargun can walk into any place and instantly that place is going to begin to prosper. Instantly. I mean it, and I've seen it. She will walk into a company, so to say, you know, she will collaborate with a company. There is a clear difference in their trajectory before she joins and after she joins.
Take our equity, sir. I'm kidding though. No, but go on.
And our company, which we happen to co-own, Dreamyata Drama as well. But I can see that there is an aura about her. There is a kind of a karma that she has, and the good fortune that she brings into spaces.
आप दोनों की aura है वैसे. Seriously, I have so much to say. And I'm getting to know you all on a human level also, so we'll keep opening up the conversation. But
Looking forward.
As a podcaster, जब आप ऐसे podcast कर रहे होते हो तो अक्सर हम एक लीनियर टाइमलाइन फॉलो करते हैं कि अच्छा फिर क्या हुआ वो बताइए. बट आपके ADHD की वजह से, मेरी ADHD की वजह से
हो गई.
थोड़ी सी रैंडम बातें भी होंगी बीच में. प्री सरगुन लाइफ.
All right. What would you like to do?
आप बताइए, आपके मुताबिक क्या थी इनकी प्री सरगुन?
बताइए जी. तो शुरू हो जाओ. मैं पैर में सीधे कर लेता हूँ.
नहीं, इसने मुझे बताया, मुझे उतना ही बताया. इनफैक्ट मैंने कभी इससे ज़्यादा पूछा ही नहीं.
आप दोनों का कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है? आप दोनों कहाँ से हो, ये सब भी बताइए.
मैं चंडीगढ़ से हूँ. बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन चंडीगढ़, एंड आई डिड माई स्कूलिंग इन चंडीगढ़. उसके बाद मैंने अपना कॉलेज और थिएटर दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी किरोड़ीमल कॉलेज से किया. और जिस साल मैंने मेरा लास्ट एग्ज़ाम दिया, उसी साल मैंने अपना पहला शो साइन करा जो दिल्ली में ही शूट हो रहा था. तो मैं 2009 से टेलीविज़न इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ. और 2015 में आई graduated to the Punjabi film industry. That is, in short, my life. Ravi is also an engineer. Very bad at it, but he is.
I wouldn't say so.
What kind?
Electronics and telecom. Really?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
EXTC.
Which college?
DJ Sangvi.
DJ Sangvi. I'm from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology.
My sister college.
All of these people have done nothing related to engineering. They have only wasted seats.
That's like all engineers, no?
You know who else is from RGIT? EXTC?
Vicky Kaushal is from RGIT. And many people from the industry have. In fact, Vicky was, I think, a year junior to me.
Oh, really?
So we used to bump into each other during Zodiac. Zodiac used to be our college festival.
Nice.
And so we met. We actually very briefly we spoke about it as well.
मतलब आपने और मैंने सेम एग्जाम दी है.
Same.
Okay, wow.
Same.
Nice. I feel
You
pain.
had D&D and BWE as subjects.
Yeah, I failed in BWE.
So did you.
No, I didn't fail BWE. I failed the subject called mechanics.
अच्छा.
वो KT मेरी पहले साल से लेकर के last year of उस तक रही थी.
I think मेरे को मैकेनिक्स में वो स्टार पास मिला.
Star pass.
Anyway, almost failed.
Star pass and almost failed, yeah.
मतलब ग्रेस मार्क्स से आपको पास
But definitely, I mean, my percentage was not really off the roof. I also did my, simultaneously, because I was okay-ish in my engineering, so I was also doing other things. So I did a course in journalism and mass communication as well, during the same time.
Nice.
Subah engineering, raat ko journalism.
You've lucked out.
And I ended up...
No, it's great.
Yeah.
Sorry, यहाँ ना I don't know whether this will make it to the final cut, but EXTC engineers का दर्द बहुत गहरा है.
बहुत गहरा है भाई, बहुत गहरा है.
But let's go on. Sorry, sir.
बहुत गहरा.
Sorry, we just had a moment.
पता नहीं क्या ही दर्द गहरा है, क्यों लिया था अगर नहीं करना.
जिसने इंजीनियरिंग नहीं की वो बंदा समझ ही नहीं सकता.
Exactly.
फाइन.
कि क्या होता है इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ में.
स्पेशली ये जो ADHD प्लस क्रिएटिव पर्सन विद इन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, इट्स एन
Yeah.
अलग.
The majority of the festivals that used to happen were robotic festivals here. They were robotic festival. People were making cars and I don't know what, remote controlled cars and all of that. And I'm scratching my head. How are they doing it? फिर Zodiac होता था. Then everybody used to be looking for Ravi. नहीं, Ravi dance करेगा. Ravi dramatics में होगा. Ravi यहाँ होगा. उसके बाद irrelevant in the college for the rest of the year.
बैक टू द लव
Back to
स्टोरी.
the-
तो इंजीनियरिंग करी,
जी.
फिर क्या हुआ?
Engineering करी और in the third year I started doing advertisements. कुछ समय तक वो चला. उसके बाद मैंने TV करना शुरू कर दिया. So in 2005-06 and incidentally the first television show that I did was produced by Sare ji and Dilip Saab. Dilip Kumar Saab and Sare ji used to have a production house at that time called Sharp Focus, if I remember correctly. And after a point of time, there were some location issues, so we started shooting at Dilip Saab's house only. And Dilip Saab was still in great health at that time, so this is 2005, so he was, God willing, still walking and talking, and he was very, तो बहुत बार हमारी बैठ करके उस वक्त बात भी होती थी. A lot of those, I really kind of tried my best to absorb that energy like a sponge.
एक tangent ले ले छोटा सा.
हाँ जी.
कैसे थे वो in
कैसे
person?
थे?
दिलीप कुमार.
बहुत ही articulate, बहुत soft spoken, and हम I think कम बातें हुई, मतलब there were very brief occasions when we would sit down and chat, but there were few, and he was extremely soft spoken. How do I basically say that? These people with extremely high frequency, how they say something और वो आपकी life का फ़लसफ़ा बन जाता है. So he had that power. Everything he used to say at that time. मुझे एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी उस वक्त उस शो के अंदर. मुझे लगता था कि मैं एक there was a co-actor जिसका मैं बड़ा भाई बना था, and I was only 21. And so I went and shared with him. मैंने कहा जी मुझे कहता है कुछ पूछना है तुम्हें तो पूछो दिलीप साहब से. तो मैंने कहा जी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूँ एक बड़े भाई के रोल को, बिकॉज आई फील दैट आई डोंट हैव द डेप्थ और मैच्योरिटी to carry a role which is somebody's elder brother. And he's of course advanced in his life. I wouldn't say his age, but the one who was playing my younger brother, so he had far more exposure, so his eyes were more deeper, more experienced, and I felt mine was too frivolous and immature. So he said, no, there's nothing like that. This is a narrative you're giving yourself in your head, and if you counter that narrative, और अगर आप खुद को ये बताना शुरू कर दें कि नहीं आप वाकई में आपने दुनिया देखी है, वाकई में आपने ज़िंदगी जी है, तो वो आपकी आंखों में दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा. So I think that was really something I took back, and that can apply and percolate into virtually all performances.
Energy wise कैसे थे वो?
Very welcoming, soft, very soft. That's the word that comes to me. It may sound like a cliche, but he felt like family. So that's what comes to me immediately.
But did you pick up anything more?
I don't know if I was in the space in my life to ask questions that could really change my life. I think आज अगर मेरी किस्मत होती और मैं वाकई में उनसे I would have a rendezvous with him, then maybe my questions to him would be very different.
प्लस सरगुन के आने से पहले आप तुच्छ प्राणी थे.
तुच्छ प्राणी ही था मैं, बिल्कुल ही एकदम.
अरे यार
फूड चेन में लोएस्ट.
See, on a surface level, it seems like I am insulting him, but we're just engineering.
No, we're just enjoying.
No, this is just how engineers talk to each other.
But you do absorb an environment. Whether even if you're not asking the right questions, sometimes the right answers are still coming to you. So, which find their application sometime later in your life.
Okay. I took something from you the first time we met.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's that?
बहुत बुरे mood में था.
Uh-huh.
And someone I was seeing at the time was also there. And we were also having a fight.
Okay.
But आपको देखकर दिल शांत हो गया.
Oh.
Yeah.
what did you do?
I don't know. We just met, but thank you if
You're too shant in terms of your energy. And I know people can feel it through the screen. Is this like evolution? या ये पहले भी ऐसे ही थे?
I mean, sometimes I lose it also.
Really?
Sometimes yes. I mean,
रवि का गुस्सा कैसा है ना, जैसे आप सोडा बॉटल ओपन करते हो तो इतना ज़्यादा, एंड इट्स लाइक अ शेकन सोडा बॉटल, नॉट लाइक अ नॉर्मल सोडा बॉटल कि थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएगा. नहीं, he'll literally he'll be all over the place for some time, and then he'll automatically go back and be like, I'm sorry. मुझे गुस्सा आ गया. Like you have to realize that उसका गुस्सा एकदम आता है और एकदम शांत हो जाता है. बट जब लोग कैसे बुरा वक्त आता है या आपको लगता है कि जो आप चाह रहे हैं वो नहीं हो रहा है, या आप लकी नहीं है जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, या मुझे ये चाहिए और मिल नहीं रहा है, तो लोग बिटर हो जाते हैं ना. He doesn't do that. He sits and he meditates more.
Back to my research about you guys.
Acha, okay.
My thought after reading whatever I read about you guys the whole day today
Oh,
was that this is a blessed man.
yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा. और आप इनकी सबसे बड़ी blessing हो.
I think Sargun's entry into my life catalyzed all the positive things. That hard work was, कैसे कहते हैं कि आप जो है एक घड़े में जो है पानी डालते रहो और घड़े में अगर दूसरी तरफ जो है छेद है तो वो पानी निकलता रहेगा. वो हार्ड वर्क भी आपको आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट बिगिंस टू ओवरवेलम यू. इट डजंट सीम लाइक अ वेरी गुड एट्रीब्यूट. इट जस्ट सीम्स लाइक अ वेस्टफुल एट्रीब्यूट. बट समटाइम्स देयर इज दैट वन element in your life that is missing, that, and it's an energetic difference that happens. With her, that's what happened.
Catalyst of progress, even spiritually.
100%.
No, I think कि आप जिस मतलब कहते हैं ना कि पत्थर को भी ज़्यादा देर पूछो तो वो भगवान हो जाता है. It's that. Like I think he has believed the fact and he has told himself this so many times that I've brought in luck into his life that maybe that's what he's manifesting or he's looking at me like that. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. But वही बात है that I think when that's what partnership is, that when two people come together, they bring their karmas together. That's why वो जो कुंडलियाँ मिलाते हैं या कुछ भी करते हैं वो यही सब देखते हैं कि एक दूसरे को कितना सपोर्ट करेंगे, एक दूसरे के साथ कितना रहेंगे, what are the qualities that match.
अब दोनों ने कुंडली मैचिंग करी.
हमारी नहीं मिली थी बहुत अच्छी.
Yeah, oh really?
Yeah.
Do you remember the score?
I think
Score?
17-18 होगा. कोई
नहीं,
मिनिमम
I think
बेसिक से एक दो
वो
ऊपर था.
मिनिमम से थोड़ा ऊपर था.
कि बस
but
मिनिमम से एक दो
ऐसा
ऊपर है
वो-
उन्होंने कहा.
एंड आप दोनों ने साथ में करियर सक्सेस देखा है, लव सक्सेस देखा, लाइफ सक्सेस देखा विद अ लो कुंडली मैच्ड स्कोर.
Yeah. As far as I
that's
remember,
crazy.
it wasn't.
But the pandit told my mother, they're like इनका कुंडली शायद बहुत मतलब परफेक्ट मैच पे नहीं है, बट इन दोनों की निभेगी बहुत. बिकॉज इनके जो मेन पता नहीं को क्या घर होते हैं, जो शादी का घर है और जो इसका घर है वो मिलते हैं. लाइक दोज आर इन द राइट प्लेस.
Pata nahi, I don't
And
remember this
apparently
part of the. I just remember that it did not
Yeah.
really match, and we were okay. We would. It's all fine.
नजर ना लगे.
अब लोग यही जाके घर पे बोलेंगे हमारे भी तो 18 मैच करे, उनके भी तो करे थे.